Hi, in this tutorial we will see how we can add an image slider in ASP.NET MVC application. Also we will add the functionality like adding and removing images from the slider. For this purpose we will use a jQuery based image slider. I will use BX slider. You can get it from bxslider.com. You can download it by pressing this download button. There are some instructions down here on how to use this slider in your code. It uses just an ordered list and you have to call the BX slider in the JavaScript. So download it by pressing this button. I have already downloaded this. So extract the files and these are the contents. Here is the image folder. It have the image like this arrow image, and here are the JavaScript files, and here is the CSS file. So let's start. Open Visual Studio and click on New Project and select ASP.NET Web Application. Give it a name like Slider MVC and click on OK. Select MVC. You can use individual user account option, but for this tutorial I will use no authentication. And click on OK. This will create a Slider MVC application. So this is our Slider MVC application. The first thing we will do is we will add the downloaded jQuery image slider files to our MVC project. So come here and select images and CSS file and copy and paste it in the contents folder. Now copy these two JavaScript files and paste them in your scripts folder. Now we will make the model for our image gallery. So select class and name it gallery. Now add some C# properties. Integer, ID, and string, image path. So this is our gallery model. Save it. Now we will use Entity Framework for data access. So let's add Entity Framework to our project through NuGet. Select this Entity Framework. This is the latest version. Click on Install. It will start getting Entity Framework from NuGet. Click on OK. Click on I accept. It will start installing Entity Framework for our project. And it has successfully installed Entity Framework. Now close NuGet. Come here to our models folder and add a database context file. So select class. I will name it our DB context. Add using system data entity. Inherit or derive it from DB context and create a C# property. So DB set gallery and the name is gallery. Save it. Now we will create a controller for our slider. So add new controller. Select empty. Name it slider controller. Click on add. I am planning to make the slider as a partial view so that we can use it on different locations or pages in our project. So in the index method, we will show the slider. So we have to pass the gallery data to the view. So using before that, come here and add reference to our models. And here our DB context DB is equal to new our DB context. It will return view with data db.gallery.toList. Comment this line. And I am also planning to add functionality like adding the image to our slider. So public action result add image. Return view, that is, it will show the add image view. Also we need to post that image. So http post public action result add image and http posted file base image path, now if image is not null, now you can skip the following code because it forces the uploader to upload an image of a specific size. So you can change this according to your need or just eliminate it. So if you do not use this code, that will result that images would be different sizes, and that will look awkward. So I suggest to upload images of specific or upload images of same resolution. So system dot drawing dot image img is equal to system dot drawing dot image dot from stream image path dot input stream. Now if image width is not equal to 800 pixels, and image height is not equal to 356 pixels, then model state dot add model error, and peak must be 800 into 356, or the image resolution must be 800 into 356 pixels. Return view. String pick is equal to system dot io dot path. I'm going to write this code and you could follow as I'm writing this. So as I said, I am planning to make my slider as a partial view. So come to the before that, come to the app start folder and open bundle config, and here include your bx slider javascript file. So add bundles dot add new script bundle, bundles slash slider, include scripts slash and this jQuery files, jquery.px slider.js. And now come to our layout file and cut these two and paste it above, and also add the link for the bx slider css file. Now to make our slider as a partial view, come here in your share folder and right click and select view and name it slider partial. Create as partial view. Click on add. This is our partial view. Now add these lines. Save this file and save all. Come back to our slider controller and add a view for index. Right click, add view, uncheck partial view, add. Now add these lines. Specify the model. Now add link to our add image and delete image pages. So html.action link, link text, method name, add image, controller is slider, add one more link for deleting images page, and now here we will bring our partial view. html.partial, views, shared, slider partial, .cshtml, and model. Now come to your slider controller. We will add view for adding images. Add these lines. This is HTML begin form. This is the method, and this is the controller. Upload image control and button for submitting the form. Come back to slider controller and add delete image view. Add these lines. Add a link to the slider index page. Here I am using editor for model. So come to your shared folder and create a new folder named editor templates. And add a view. In my case, my model name is gallery, so I am giving it a name exactly as gallery. And here, delete all these and type these lines. It will display the checkbox with the path of the images. These image IDs should be same as your slider controller parameter. And probably everything is good. So run it in browser. Oh, I've done something wrong here. It says object doesn't support property or method BX slider. Let me check that. Break it. Let me check my layout page. Oh. I've not added the BX slider JavaScript bundles. So add these. These are from the bundle config file. Now run it again. So here is the index page. Right now there is no image in the slider. So add images. Go to your image location, open, save it. Yeah, look, image is successfully added and displayed here. So now add more images, browse, tulips, add image. Now I will add different resolution image. So open, save, and you get this validation message that image must be 800 into 356 pixels. So our validation is working. Come back. Here is your slider home. You can also delete the images. You can select multiple images like this. Again error. Check. Let me check. Here in our editor templates. Oh, sorry for my mistake. This is typo mistake. This should be same as your this one, as I said earlier. So now run again. Delete images. Select 2. And bingo, it deletes. You can go and check this also in your BX Slider images folder. Once again, add these images. Now close it. As I said, we can use this partial view at different pages. So you can use this at your home controller index page like this. Just type these lines. And add your partial view, and here is our model. So this was the image slider in ASP.NET MVC project. Please like the video if you like this tutorial, and also subscribe to our channel for further tutorials. Thank you.